Unraveling the Meaning of Shrug Off, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome back to our English learning channel. Today, we've got a very interesting phrase to talk about. Shrug off. This is a phrase you might hear quite often in English conversations, and it's really useful to understand and use in your daily interactions. So, let's dive in and find out what it means and how to use it. First things first, let's break down the phrase. Shrug off is a phrasal verb, and it's made up of two parts. The verb, shrug, which is a movement of lifting your shoulders up and down, and the preposition, off. When you put these two words together, you get a phrase that means to dismiss something, to treat something as if it's not important or not worth worrying about. For example, if someone says, "He just shrugged off the criticism," it means that he didn't let the criticism bother him. He just ignored it and moved on. Now that we know what shrug off means, let's look at how it can be used in different contexts. 1. Ignoring negative comments. If someone makes a negative comment about you, and you don't let it affect you, you can say that you shrugged it off. 2. Overcoming challenges. When you face a challenge or a setback, but you don't let it stop you from moving forward, you can say that you shrugged it off. 3. Dealing with pain or illness. Sometimes, people use shrug off to talk about dealing with pain or illness. If you're not feeling well but you decide to go to work anyway, you might say that you shrugged off the illness. Even though shrug off is a useful phrase, it's important to use it correctly. Here are some common mistakes to avoid. 1. Don't use it for serious situations. Shrug off is usually used for situations that are not too serious. If someone is dealing with a major problem or a serious illness, it might not be appropriate to say that they can just shrug it off. 2. Pay attention to the context. Make sure that the context you are using shrug off in makes sense. If you're talking about dismissing something minor or getting over a small setback, then shrug off is the perfect phrase to use. Alright, that's it for today's lesson on the phrase shrug off. We hope this video has helped you understand what it means and how to use it in your own conversations. Remember, practice makes perfect. So try using shrug off in your English conversations and see how it goes. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.